Let's check out our customer site in Thailand. Watch the real running of Enerpat scrap metal baler. Specially designed for all kinds of scrap metal recycling. Heavy-duty thickened frame, premium hydraulic and intelligent control system. Stable continuous running, low failure rate. Low failure rate, ideal for Southeast Asia metal recycling. Compress loose scrap metal into solid dense bales. Save storage space and cut logistics and smelting costs greatly. Your best choice for professional scrap metal baling. Enerpat reliable quality with worldwide project cases.